Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. Wow, so here we have someone with long waist length hair. All that gorgeous hair is cut off into a beautiful volumized bob. Look at the amount of shine she has here. Hair looks so healthy. And that bounce, very nice. So here we have someone. It looks like we might have another cut refresh. Looks like she wants to get a pixie. Oh, she is dyeing the hair. Okay, so he did a nice color refresh. Ooh, a little bit of reddish brown for the color change. I love this pixie cut as well. Very cute. This is actually going to be one of the hottest hair colors for summer too, by the way. So here we have someone, looks like she has a bit of a pixie haircut here. Ooh. Okay, definitely getting an edgy cut here. Playing into the mullet trend. Oh, wow, look at all that color. Ooh, oh, I love the edginess behind this style. So they ended up getting like this really cool rainbow. Very nice. And then we have a nice bob with the curtain bangs. Comes to around shoulder length. Very nice length to still have some long hair to play around with, not too short. And then we have a cut refresh. So they ended up getting a bob haircut that they didn't like. And they decided to switch it up with a pixie. Oh, I love the natural texture. Wow. Very cute. Vivid color. So we got someone with their natural curls at the salon here. Oh. Okay, so it looks like they are doing a very interesting color mix here. Oh, pink. And a cute little pixie. Oh my goodness, this is really cute. And it does have a little bit of a tail going there in the back, almost playing into the baby mullet trend here. Wow, that color is beautiful. I like the dimension within the pink hues. Very cute.